Hello friends, welcome back. Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video, I'm going to explain you in deeply about smart money concept, how to take entry, how to map the structure, what is the valid break of structure, what is change of character, what is inducement, liquidity, how to take entry in a shorter time frame, everything in this one video. So must watch this video. This will be change your mind. This will be mind blowing. So must watch this video. If you want to understand this video completely, okay, so you can go to my YouTube channel and watch first this video is a smart money structure, 2 SMC structure, and second one only these 2 PI work, okay, and also this valid pullback. These 3 video watch and you will be understand this completely as well, okay. So let's start to the this video, okay. So what happened if we want to do smart money concept? We have to map the structure with the right way, okay. So if we are in the bullish market and we have to find our higher highs and our higher lows. So to find our higher highs, as I said in my previous video, we have to find out the valid pullback, inducement taken out, and then price came back and mitigate the unmitigated order block and then go to the upside, okay. So here we confirm our higher high because price take out the inducement, okay. And now if price come downside and then break above of this structure, so this will be a valid break of structure, okay. Price came and mitigate on some type of unmitigated shadows and go upside, okay. So just wait because I will show you something after change of character, okay, because this is a bar play, okay. So price close above is a break of structure, okay. So now where is our lower low? This point, because these move break this structure, right? So if price now break this low, then our market is shift from bullish to bearish. So this will be called as change of character, right? Okay. After change of character, and still our higher high is not confirmed. Why? Because in this leg we have only one this pullback, okay. If price take this one, then we have this higher high confirmed, otherwise it's not, okay. So let's see if price make a new higher high or price take this one. Stick with me, it will be very important for you, and if you back test, I promise you will find something very important on these trading setups, okay. I will share with you a very shortly about a strategy where only in 10 trades you can make 100k sorry 100k in just 10 trades from $200, okay. So for you need only one strategy, okay. Even you lost 3 times 4 times, doesn't matter, you will be succeed, okay. Now we have change of character confirmed. Why it's confirmed? Because candle close below. So where is our now higher high? Higher high, yeah, okay, whatever that, this one, because that is break this one, okay. So if price now again break this one, it will be a change of character, price again shift. Is sometime happen due to news and something like this, because you see there is a huge candle, so means there is someone sitting who take out the liquidity. Understand the liquidity point, bro. This is the liquidity area from here, everything is a liquidity, okay. Now we need a valid pullback to confirm our low. So we have here our valid pullback, okay. So we need to price come upside and to confirm lower low, okay, or price make another lower like this. Just a moment. Okay, see this one, okay. Why I'm not considering these one, these red, black and green candle? Why? Because you see green candle does not break the low and high of this black candle, so it will be not a valid pullback, okay. But these black candle take out the high of this black candle, so it means be a valid pullback, okay. So if price go up upside and take a sweep out or close above, doesn't matter, the lower low will be confirmed. But price, what did price make another low, because this take previous candle high. Okay, yeah, you see. Now if it's take like by week, by what, it doesn't matter. Now what happened here, our lower low confirm. If price break down to the downside, is called a valid break of structure. Okay, now what we need, we have to find out the unmitigated order block. So if we see this is the last red candle, a black candle, okay, it's mitigated by this one. So we shift to the next here, this one, this green candle, the biggest candle backside was our candle, but it's also mitigated by this one. So we shift to the next. Okay, as I said, after inducement only one order block is work. Okay, and we will see this candle, but it's also mitigated by this black candle. Okay, so what we will do, we have only two options. Either we have this wick, unmitigated wick of the candle, okay, with this huge fair value gap, okay, which also mitigated by this wick. So only we have this one. Or second point, what we have, if we don't find any type of the valid pullback or valid order block, valid POI, so we will see does price sweep the inducement or sweep the high and then give us anything in the lower time frame. So we have to, if we don't find anything here, so we can shift to the lower time frame. So in here I choose 1 hour time frame, so I shift to 5-minute time frame for entry. Okay, or you can go even lower side. Okay, so for our I will also explain later in coming videos that how many type of entries we have: single candle order block entry, we have change of character entry, we have flip base entry, we have supply to demand, demand to supply entry as well. Okay, so you must subscribe my YouTube channel if you're new here. Okay, so here what we need exactly, we see price in 1 hour time frame, price took out the liquidity, okay, of the previous low and like this. Okay, so first thing you can do, mark out this candle, okay, and wait the any candle that close downside to confirm this one is a valid. Okay, if it's any candle close above, it will be not valid. Okay, should be candle close below of this candle, okay, like this. Okay, so it's again, you see this candle take out the liquidity of this one. Okay, the people who take entry here, who obviously they put their stop loss above of this candle. Okay, so you have to also wait. So now in the next candle, must any candle close below of this candle, okay, like this. Okay, so you can put your entry here. The third candle should mitigate this one and you can target to the downside. This is the first scenario. Put your stop loss upside and this is your target. Okay, many times you miss entry as well, so don't worry, these are part of procedure. Like here you miss your entry, but this is the first setup. Okay, the aggressive entry or your sell limit is not activated. If we go to the 5-minute time frame and if we want to see is there is any progress, that we can also take an entry here. Okay, so here what we need, I will explain you. So we have a higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, right? Okay, then what happened, we need a change of character. Either it can be a by week or by body, doesn't matter. In smaller time frame, the market structure shift with a wick or body, doesn't matter. Okay, after change of character we need an inducement, okay, this one, and the market should take this inducement, and from here in the extreme order block we sell this. Okay, so this is the basically the point. Like this you have to trade like this. Okay, if it's not match your criteria, you don't have to sell. You can come to 5 minute, you can come to 1 minute. It's all up to you. It doesn't matter where you are doing. Okay, so here we have very long way, and this one. Okay, so most of the time you not find any entry. So we will see what happened next. Okay, where is the low of the candle? Where is the low of the candle? This one. Okay, we break this. Okay, in short, smaller time frame is called change of character. Okay, chalk. So we need now inducement as per our plan. So where is our inducement? A valid pullback. Okay, this is our equal lows. You can also take these are our inducement. Okay, or and also find an unmitigated order block. First one these. Okay, second one here as well, which are also mitigated, so so it can be not usable. Okay, so these also, or price make another pullback downside, and we will see like this. No, wait, we have like this. Okay, but if price break this one, then we are not going to take more entries on this one. This is because this is a major low in a bigger time frame. Okay, so we have do as per our plan. If we don't find any entry, don't worry, we will find another chance, no problem. Yeah, like this. Okay, price going downside and it's never come back upside, so we are not going to take any entries. Okay, so we shift to again 1 hour, and I will show you next. Okay, we have break of structure. Yeah, now we need to confirm our okay, so we need now confirm of our lower low. Okay, so this is our pullback, because this is a valid pullback. This green candle is greater than is take out the sweep liquidity of this black candle, and then the next candle take out the green candle, so it's a valid. So to confirm this one, we take must upside. See what happened. Okay, so now our shift to the next point. As you see, price take out this and it's confirm our lower low. Okay, and who's break this area? This high. Okay, so price if go above of this area, it's become our change of character. Okay, and if price go downside, it will be our break of structure. Understood? Okay, once we find out our lower high and lower low, okay, then what we have to do, we have to find out our POIs. Okay, so the first thing, as I said in my previous video, only 2 POIs work. After inducement, first POI, and the last extreme one. Okay, so here in extreme we have this POI. Okay, which is look like unmitigated and have a proper imbalance as well. Okay, the second one we don't have any other POI. Okay, so we have only this POI because it's take out the liquidity, so we can shift into our lower time frame and can also find their entry. Okay, so as per our plan, we have 2 scenarios. Okay, if any candle take out the previous high low, okay, this inducement, okay, take, so what we have to do, we have to wait to close next candle to below downside of that candle. Okay, like this. Okay, so we have 2 type of entries. First entry, we can take aggressively to put our sell limit on the third candle open, put your stop loss here and the target to the downside. Okay, second option, we shift to the time lower time frame, and as per I explained that price must take out the change of character, make an inducement, go to the extreme level, and then you can sell, okay, from here, right? So this is the our second part. So let's see what happened. There's the third candle, mitigate this one, and we are in the trade, and like this you can like, okay, this is the first type of entry. Second type of entry I will explain in the next video, and also explain the more deep of these forex and commodities. So if you want any specific pair, forex, indices, or crypto, you please mention in the comment and join my telegram, so where you will find most of signals I provide for free. So you will find the link in the description, and here I post everything for free. If you need a broker with zero spread fees, also you will find the link in the bio. So make sure you join all this. Hope you are doing well and enjoy this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends. Hope it will boost, and thanks. Bye bye.